Welcome back, Rejuvy subscribers. We have apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, lemon, honey shots for you today. The ingredients are apple cider vinegar. I use cinnamon sticks, or you can use cinnamon powder. We have the lemon and the honey. Real simple. You don't have to use these kind of containers, but they're effective. I have 3 of them here for you to demonstrate. And we're going to start. So we have cut lemon. We're going to place our cinnamon sticks inside. We're going to add our apple cider vinegar. One teaspoon. And next we're going to add our honey. One teaspoon also. And then we're going to add our filtered water. Seal it and give it a little shake. And sit it in your refrigerator for when you get ready in the morning. Apple cider vinegar shot.